Hey kids, welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe.
Ant. Ant's super strong and works hard with a big ant family. Bee. Bee makes honey and helps flowers grow by spreading pollen. Beetle. Beetle has a hard shell and comes in many shapes and colors. Butterfly. Butterfly flies with colorful wings and starts as a caterpillar. Wasp. Wasp has yellow and black stripes. Looks like a bee but doesn't make honey. Stick bug. Stick bug looks just like a stick and hides from predators. Praying mantis. Praying mantis looks like it's praying. A great bug hunter. Mosquito. Mosquito drinks tiny drops of blood and loves water. Leaf insect. Leaf insect looks like a leaf and stays very still. Grasshopper. Grasshopper jumps very high and makes chirping sounds. Firefly. Firefly glows in the dark like a tiny nightlight. Caterpillar. Caterpillar eats a lot and turns into a butterfly. Dragonfly. Dragonfly flies really fast and has big eyes. Ladybug. Ladybug has red wings with black spots and helps protect plants.